It's great to have all these AI tools, but they're only really useful if the teams that are using them are fully up-leveled and really understand what's going on and how the AI models are working. So you saw an example of the AOP that Max and Bihan showed earlier. And again, an AOP is kind of the core concept around which we built Decagon, which is can you use natural language and very easy instructions to teach the AI how to behave. But the main reason to do this is that we felt it's really, really important to up-level and enable the non-technical users in an org to actually go in and build the AI, to iterate, to optimize it, and ultimately to scale it, right? So anyways, I think this is like a big theme that we're going to see again and again in the AI agent industry over the next couple of years, because ultimately one of the biggest benefits of AI is that we're able to really democratize the functionality and the ability for people to use it. And so to that end, as part of Decagon, we think a lot about this, and what does democratizing AI really mean? It means that you have to have the tooling and the capabilities to let every single part of an organization, all the different teams that are involved, to run full speed and actually be productive, right? So that means for the engineering team, we enable them to take control of the things that they want to take control of, like how do we access APIs, how do we access the database, how do we use the internal systems. But you don't want the engineers to be on the hook for small logical changes, right? Every time you want to update the behavior, you need engineering resources to do a sprint. So that's where you start. And then for the product team, you want product owners and product leaders to actually be able to go in and manage the behavior, right? They need full transparency into seeing how the AI is behaving. It shouldn't feel like a black box at all. They need to be able to go in and debug and understand why did it do this, how did it say this, what are the guardrails we need to enforce. And lastly, for the ops teams and the CS leaders, it's critical for them to be able to take ownership of the AI and actually iterate. So if they want to change a journey or they want to change a flow, they can go in and make changes. They can run A/B tests. They can analyze the results. They can inspect all the conversations. And so this is core to how we built our product, but it's also core to how we think AI should be developed. So with that, the other big announcement that we have today is the introduction of Decagon University. And you'll be hearing about this more in detail in a little bit. But Decagon University, you can think of as almost a AI-native custom curriculum that we've developed, complete with on-demand videos, live sessions with our team and other folks in the community, certifications, all designed at up-leveling teams, and especially non-technical teams, to be AI native and to be super productive in this modern AI age. And so that includes using our AOPs, that includes using the other different products so that you can prompt AI agents better, how to build them, how to inspect the responses, and just build intuition around them.